All right, we're going to do 591 divided by 3. And this is partial quotients again. So if I have 591, think about how many times I could take out 3. You want to use the biggest thing that you can think of. That will give you the least amount of steps to do it. How many times do you want to do it? Okay, so let's think about what would 100 times 3 be?
300.
And I have enough to take out 100 groups of 3. So I'm going to write 100 on the top. And then I'm going to multiply. 100 times 3 is 300. And what do I do next? Then you're going to subtract. Very good. 291. Then you're going to take your answer when you subtracted your difference, and you're going to put it up here. 291. And then you're going to see how many groups of 3 you could take out of that.
50.
You want to take out 50? 3 times 5 is 15. So if I did 3 times 50, that would give me. Very good. And I could do that. So we're going to take out a group of 50, take out 50 groups of 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So we know 50 times 3 is
150.
150. Very good. Now what do I do with those two numbers?
Subtract.
Subtract. Good. So I'm going to do 291 minus 150.
121.
Very good. We always subtract going down. 1 minus 0 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 2 minus 1 is 1. And what do I do with 141? Bring it up to the top. Good.
Bring it on down and bring it on back.
Okay, now I'm going to say how many times will 3 go into 141? We'll cover up that last digit and think about how many times 3 will go into 14.
4, 5.
5 times 3 is,
15.
so that's too big, isn't it? So let's try 4. What's 3 times 4?
12.
Good. 3 times 4 is 12, and I have 141. So instead of doing 3 times 4, I want to do 3 times 40. Very good. And since we know 3 times 4 is 12, with that 0 on the end of the 40, 3 times 40 is going to be 100. Very good, 120. What do I do with these two numbers? Subtract. Then I'm going to subtract 141 minus 120. Always subtract going down. Very good. He's on the ball. Then what do I do with 21? Bring it up. Good. And then I'm going to divide again. How many times will 3 go into 21?
7.
7 times. Very good. Then what do I do now? I don't have anything to subtract yet. I have to do something else first. Multiply. 7 times 3 is?
21.
Then I'm going to do 21 minus 21 is? 0. So I don't have anything left over. These are my partial quotients. And what do I have to do with those? Add these. Good. So you could add 2 at a time. 100 plus 50 is? Very good. 100 plus 50 is 150. And 40 plus 7 is?
197.
Y'all are already saying the whole answer. 40 plus 7 is? 47. Good. And when I add 150 plus 147, you get 197. So my quotient is 197.
5.